Hi, this is Dr. Prashanthi Vijayawada Safol Heart Hospitals. Yeah, here we are going to treat a patient without a cuts and openings, without surgeries, a painless treatment with a non-invasive treatment. Actually, see, while we are having or while we are seeing a patient with triple vessel disease or single vessel disease or double vessel disease, everyone was advised to, if a patient has a single vessel or double vessel, the physicians will advise a stenting or grafting, nothing but CABG bypass surgeries when the patient has triple vessel disease. But here, without cuts and openings or any other stentings, any other bypass or any other graftings, we are going to treat a patient with ECP and BCA without any pain. See, the treatment undergoes in two procedures and two methods or two ways. I already said, with ECP or ECP or and with BCA. ECP means enhanced external counter pulsation, or nothing but ECP means external counter pulsation. One thing is with ECP means which opens the collaterals by increase the pumping. That means the mission. ECP mission focus on veins and elasticity of the veins, stability of the veins and stability of the heart muscles, which improves by heart pumping. Means we are going to focus on the pumping of the heart. Like means if a patient comes with an ejaculation fraction like EF with less, or any systolic dysfunction or any diastolic dysfunction, we are focusing on that, and we are going to give a treatment and we are going to correct the pumping of LV with ECP, and we are going to eliminate the clots by BCA, nothing but biochemical angioplasty, which means a detox therapy or an chelation therapy, which eliminates everything like thrombosis, cholesterol deposits, calcium deposits or any other toxic material. Or if any patients having diabetes from since 20 years, we are going to focus on that comorbid conditions, like not only the diabetes, we are focusing on every comorbid conditions of the patients, including lungs, COPD, like bronchitis and asthma and chronic lung diseases, embolism, like everything we are focusing on everything, and we are going to treat the patient completely without any complications, without any side effects and without any adverse effects which you are giving as through biochemical angioplasty. So we are treating the patient without any cuts and openings here, and we can consult us in Vijayawada Sahol Heart Hospital branch. We will explain you everything while consultation, and we are going to focus not only on the treatment side, we are going to correct the patient's lifestyle modification and his or her metabolic activities, and we are going to give him or her a physical stiff and like what we are saying. Yeah, we are going to give a complete relief and complete treatment without any complications and without any related heart related and without any age factors, without any complications. So come and consult us in Vijayawada. Thank you so much.